Hi loves, it's Crystal Marie again. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be bringing you this video, and I say that every video I know, but I am super excited to bring you this video for sure. You guys have seen me do walkthroughs of like all types of planners, and I've given you feedback and on what's good and all of that, but this planner is a planner that I designed. Yes, it was designed by yours truly for the Diva Diaries brand, and I am super excited to share this with you. So what we're going to do is, like all of my planner videos, we are going to walk through this, and I'm going to tell you about this planner, and I hope you really enjoy it. One, before we get into the flip through, I want you to know that I do have this planner up on Kickstarter, and it is super important for me to share it with you because I would love your support in getting it funded so I can do a full run of these planners and get them into your hands. And for me to be able to do that, I need to reach my funding goal. So I'm going to leave a link down below for you guys to click on. You can view the Kickstarter project and you can fund. Right now, I do have a reward level where these are at $39. They will retail for $59. So this is a super good deal. Okay, so definitely click on the link. I would love your support. I need your support, and I would be grateful for your support. So click on the link. And as always, thumbs up this video. If you love planner videos, I think you're going to love this. And if you love planners, I believe that you are really going to love the Diva Diaries planner. So without further ado, let's zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to open this up for you, and we're going to do a walkthrough of the Diva Diaries planner. It's an undated daily, and this beautiful pink and white cover is called the Diva Stripes. Of course it would be. You guys know how I love pink, and of course we've got the gold here too, and it is gold foiled. So you guys know me, pink, gold, silver, throw a little glitter on that stuff, and I am all over it. So let's get into it. Okay, so first, like I was saying, we have the beautiful Diva Stripes cover, and it is in gold foil, and then it's got the pink and white stripes, and we've got the spiral bound wire hardware in gold, as well as our gold corners. So this is really, oh, I just bumped the camera, so sorry. We have the gold corners, so this is really sturdy. So when you open it, the first thing that you're going to see is this cute little pocket that's in the front cover. And we of course have my signature pink here, and it is pink and white polka dots that I created to go on the inside. Love, and I hope you guys love it too. And of course you can stick whatever you want to stick in your pocket. I have some cute little heart stickers in here. They're also pink and glitter, of course, because you guys know me. Glitter, pink, I'm all over it. The first page in the planner is just the name of the planner and where you can follow me on social media and where you can follow my brand on social media. Of course, if you or when you get this planner, you're going to want to hashtag it TDD planner and just the copyright information. So that's the first page. And then this is my letter to you guys. And I don't want to read it to you. I want you to be able to get it when you get the planner. But basically, I created this planner for you guys with you in mind, with all of our flaws, with all of our womanhood, with all of our creativity, everything about you. I created this for you. So it's just a letter to you guys, and I pray that you guys love the planner and use it with the intent, and also create some new intent behind using this planner. The next page is just your page that you put your name into, and you can decorate it. Of course, there's plenty of space throughout this planner for you to go crazy with decoration, or you could just use it practically, whatever you want to do. I left it really flexible because I like that flexibility in a planner, and I thought you guys would too. So you just put your name there. This planner belongs to And then the next page, this is one of the prototypes, so this page will change just a little bit, but it explains the Diva Diaries planner symbols and what each symbol means and what you can do with it. So I think I'm going to decorate this page just a little bit more, just because I like it to be decorated a little bit more, and I thought you guys would too. But this is the prototype, so you guys get to see kind of the process. Next, we have your dreams and goals. And so this is at the beginning of the planner, where you write down your dreams and your goals, of course, and there's plenty of space for that. And this page basically just says, life is full of possibilities and they are all within your reach. Use these pages to write down your dreams and goals. Do not limit yourself, dream big. You will be amazed at what you can do when your goals are written down. And for more vision planning, be sure to pick up the Make the Vision Plain workbook, which is a workbook that I will be also putting out this year. And they will work, that workbook will work really well with your planner. I just feel like I've been in a season where it's really important for me to like script my dreams and goals and make them very plain. And I cannot tell you guys how, I mean, it may sound a little bit silly, like write down your goals. Of course, we like write them down, but I used to just kind of like bullet point, okay, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this. But really writing them down in paragraph form and scripting how you want that goal to come about, it really does something. It just like sets the universe on fire and your dreams and goals just manifest. And I have been working on that. This planner I've been working on for years, but literally I scripted it several months ago, and now you see it. I mean, it just, I don't know. It's just like a beautiful thing to write down your goals and see them manifest. And so I really wanted that included in this planner. So there's a page here for your dreams and goals. And then there's another page here for you to write down your dreams and goals. And that's at the beginning of using this planner. It is an undated daily planner, but the tabs start in January. So you can pick up this planner at any time once it's funded, but the tabs do start in January. So you write this down before you start using the planner. And then we go into the monthly pages. And the first thing you're going to see is this 1, 2, 3. And that's for you to write down, you know, your top 3 words for the month. You can write down your top 3 quotes for the month. You can write down your top 3 to-dos that you really have to get done this month. You can kind of customize this top space to be whatever it is that you want. And then you go into the notes and ideas, and it's basically the same thing. So you're kind of writing down notes and ideas and kind of scripting what you want for that month, or just things that you need to do for that month for sure. And anything that you want to keep a note of. And keep in mind that you can, like I said, there's plenty of space down here for you to decorate and all around this planner, so you can make it as pretty and as stickered out as you want, or you can be very practical and just write everything down as usual. It's very flexible layout and design. Then we go into our monthly view, and this so what I wanted to do was, first, I wanted a place where you would write down your monthly quote. And I know a lot of planners like give you a quote, and I think that's great. I've loved that. But one thing that I'm trying to work on, and I think it will benefit you guys too, to kind of like decide how you want your month to go. So you get to decide what quote or Bible verse or, positive quote that you want to stand on for that month, and you will write that here. You get to be intentional about the direction that you want your month to take. So you'll write that here. Or if you have a sticker that has a quote on it, you can stick that up here. It's kind of flexible for you. If maybe it's not a quote, but you have a monthly word, you can kind of script that up here as well. But you get to be intentional about how you want your month to go, and then you put whatever it is here. Then you have the undated boxes here for the month. So you are there. It's pretty flexible. There's plenty of space for you to write and add stickers. There's also space for you to add the days, whether you want to write them, sticker them, stamp them. I mean, we get crazy, planner people, we get crazy with our planners. So I wanted you guys to have plenty of space to do that. Like I said, it's undated, so you can use this 2018, 2019, whenever, but that's the month view. And then we have on the side here a space for notes, things you want to remember. If you want to go crazy and decorate this out, put some sticker quotes, more sticker quotes than what's up here, you absolutely can. And then we go into the daily pages. And of course, let me zoom in for you on these dailies because I want you to get this. Let's see. There we go. Right up here, there is a space for you to write what you're grateful for. And you guys have, seen some of my videos, and if you haven't, there are plenty of planner videos on my channel, so definitely check those out. But I always love to write down what I'm grateful for because it just reminds you to stay in a positive space. And so there are lines all the way across here that are really faint, so you can actually, if you want to, script over them. Oh shoot, some stuff just fell. We'll leave it. You can actually script over them if you want to write something really fancy, or if you just want to write down what you're grateful for. And when you're writing down like what you're grateful for, you don't have to go too crazy. Like, you don't have to think it has to be something big. Like, a lot of the times I'm grateful for a hot bath. It is so relaxing, and it just makes me feel very relaxed and very happy and very calm. And I can just sit there and kind of think out, my day and, what I want to do better and, all of those things. And I could just enjoy a good bath. And that's okay. That's okay to be grateful for a good bath and grateful for friendship. I mean, you can put whatever it is that you're grateful for at the top here. Then we go into the Faithful Diva section here. And basically you can write out any Bible verses, anything that you're believing God for, just kind of whatever that you are having faith for, you would write that down here. Then we go into the Wealthy Diva section. So if you have some savings goals, you write them here. If there's bills you need to pay, you write them here. If there's like a budget that you want to keep in mind, you write them here. Or if you spent something that day you want to keep track of, you can write that here as well. Then we have our Done Diva, and that's basically where you write your to-do list. And you can, put check off stickers, or like I like to highlight and cross out because it makes me feel good. Like, I'll even put stuff, or I'll put stuff here that maybe I didn't start out having here, but I did it in the course of a day. So I'll put it here and I'll highlight it because it just makes me feel very accomplished. I don't know. I don't think I'm the only one who does that, but I do. So this is basically your to-do list. And if you don't have a to-do list for that day, you can fill this with whatever you would like. And then you have the Healthy Diva section. And in the Healthy Diva section, you can write down like your water intake. You can write down your step count for the day. You can write down anything like health goals that you have, where you're at. You can kind of track that daily. Which is something that I'm trying to do. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to get healthier. So I definitely have the water down. I think I do pretty good with that, but I do need to get some more steps in. I have a step challenge at work now, and I need to work on that because I work at an office, so I'm sitting down most of the time. So I will be writing that here. And then we have our Daily Diva, and that's basically, it runs from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. And this is where you write down your actual appointments. So, if you're going to work at 7, if you have a lunch appointment, if you have evening appointments, whatever your appointments are that have an actual time, you will write them there. And like a lot of the times, if I don't have appointments that day, say like it's a Saturday and maybe I'm flexible, I like to write out long Bible verses or long quotes here and kind of decorate them just depending on what I'm feeling that day. So you can definitely be flexible with this layout. And so basically you have the daily pages, of course, and then you go again to the month. The notes and ideas pages start over, your top 3, and then you go into the month. And we have these lovely tabs. Oh my goodness, you guys. These are so yummy. They are in the signature pink, and then they have the scripted out months, the abbreviations for the months. But again, it's undated, so you can start anywhere. Like for instance, in this one, I started in August, and I will likely use this all the way through next year because this is it's my prototype, it's my baby. And even though I'll be making a little bit of tweaks for you guys so that we can get it to where it needs to be, I love this one. It's the first one and there's something about it. The paper is nice and thick, thick enough for most of your pens. It's, I believe, 100 GSM. So for those of you who like the different paper type. And then the tabs are going to be a 200 GSM. So they're going to be thick enough to withstand a little bit of torture. Because some of us will torture our planners. And so then at the end, of course, there is the beautiful signature pink and polka dots. And then our Diva stripes cover. And I have a little washi tape on the back. Take that off really quick. Yep, so this is the planner in a nutshell. I did create this to be very flexible, to be very like simple, but you do have to interact with this planner. This planner is meant for you to take charge of your life and your to-dos and your dreams and your goals, and actually have one place to write them down. And you can decorate the heck out of it if you want to. You can stamp it out, you can sticker it out, you can write it out, you can pretty much do anything that you want to this planner. And, you know, so it works for those who like to be practical with their planners and those who like to be really fun with their planners. Like, I cannot wait to see you guys decorate the heck out of it. I can't wait to see you guys be practical with it. I can't wait to see, like, you write down your dreams and goals, because you can also use this first page as like a vision board. So cut out stuff from magazines or whatever to help you illustrate what your dreams and goals are for the year that you're using the planner. So I'm really, really, really super excited, and I hope you guys are super excited with me, because this has been a dream come true to see this planner in print, and I am hoping that you guys will definitely fund the planner. I will leave the link below to the Kickstarter project. And it will be helpful if you guys can help me fund it, and we can get these prints out and I can get these into your hands. And, you know, I'm very excited, you guys, very grateful and very blessed. So I hope you enjoyed my quick walkthrough of the Diva Diaries planner. And as always, I hope you guys, whenever you are watching this, are blessed. So definitely give the video a thumbs up, share this with your friends, and click the link to go to the Kickstarter project. Love you guys. Bye.